Hey guys, it's Automobiles Info. Welcome to our channel. Joseph Vijay Chandrasekhar, known anonymously as Vijay, is an Indian actor, dancer, playback singer and philanthropist who works in Tamil cinema. Preferred to by fans and media is Thalapathy. And Vijay is one of the highest paid actor in Tamil cinema. His net worth is estimated as 420 crore rupees, and he is the owner of expensive and luxury cars. Let's take a deep look into it. Number 1. BMW X5. The cost of this car is 80 lakh rupees. This variant offers petrol and diesel engine with displacement of 2998 cc, which generates 340 bhp and 450 Newton meters of torque. It offers 11.24 km per liter and can reach to the top speed of 240 km per hour and reach from 0 to 100 in 6.5 seconds. Especially Vijay is a fan of BMW cars. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Ghost. The cost of this car is 5.25 crore rupees. This variant offers V12 petrol engine with displacement of 6592 cc, which generates 563 bhp and 780 Newton meters of torque. It offers 10 km per liter and can reach to the top speed of 250 km per hour and reach from 0 to 100 in 5 seconds. And it is the expensive car in actor Vijay's garage. Number 3. BMW X6. The cost of this car is 95 lakh rupees. This variant offers petrol engine with displacement of 2998 cc, which generates 335 bhp and 450 Newton meters of torque. It offers 10.31 km per liter and can reach to the top speed of 249 km per hour and reach from 0 to 100 in 5 seconds. Number 4. Audi A8L. The cost of this car is 1.56 crore rupees. This variant offers V6 petrol engine with displacement of 2995 cc, which generates 335 bhp and 500 Newton meters of torque. It offers 12 km per liter and can reach to the top speed of 249 km per hour and reach from 0 to 100 in 5.7 seconds. Number 5. BMW 520d. The cost of this car is 68 lakh rupees. This variant offers twin power turbo inline 6 engine with displacement of 2993 cc, which generates 261 bhp and 620 Newton meters of torque. It offers 17.7 km per liter and can reach to the top speed of 250 km per hour and reach from 0 to 100 in 5.73 seconds. Number 6. Nissan X-Trail. The cost of this car is 22.6 lakh rupees. This variant offers MR20DD engine with displacement of 1995 cc, which generates 142 bhp and 200 Newton meters of torque. It offers 14.4 km per liter and can reach to the top speed of 183 km per hour and reach from 0 to 100 in 12 seconds. Number 7. Toyota Innova Crista. The cost of this car is 24 lakh rupees. This car offers 2TRP dual WTI engine with displacement of 2694 cc, which generates 163 bhp and 245 Newton meters of torque. It offers 11 km per liter and can reach to the top speed of 168 km per hour and reach from 0 to 100 in 10.8 seconds. Toyota Innova Crista is the car most used by Vijay. Number 8. Mini Cooper S. The cost of this car is 38 lakh rupees. This car offers petrol engine with displacement of 1998 cc, which generates 189 bhp and 280 Newton meters of torque. It offers 17.3 km per liter and can reach to the top speed of 233 km per hour and reach from 0 to 100 in 6.7 seconds. Number 9. Jaguar XF. The cost of this car is 55.67 lakh rupees. This car offers petrol engine with displacement of 1997 cc, which generates 197 bhp and 320 Newton meters of torque. It offers 10.8 kilometers per liter and can reach to the top speed of 234 kilometers per hour and reach from 0 to 100 in 7 seconds. Number 10. Ford Mustang. The cost of this car is 74.62 lakh rupees. This car offers 5-liter TVC-TV8 engine with displacement of 4,951 cc, which generates 395 bhp and 515 Nm of torque. It offers 13 km per liter and can reach to the top speed of 237 km per hour and reach from 0 to 100 in 5.2 seconds. And actor Vijay also has a car like Maruti Suzuki Celerio. Maruti Suzuki Swift, Hyundai i20. Okay guys, we hope you like this video and share this video to the Thalapathy Vijay fans and have a nice day. Thank you for watching this video.